Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center, and geraniums. Oh, they love growing in the mountains of Arizona. There's several varieties of them. One that we call Prescott Sunshine geraniums. These are zonal geraniums. They come in a lot of different colors, from whites to reds to purples. Then there's also Martha Washington geraniums. Look at that. They're just beautiful. It's kind of old-fashioned. Your grandmother loved this one. And because I own a garden center and I just love geraniums, we also grow these ivy geraniums. They keep trailing down like this. These can be grown out there in full sun, out by the front patio, front door. These plants love bright light, and they bloom from April through November. They're amazing for the mountains of Arizona. You'll only find them here at Waters Garden Center. You're going to love your backyard again, I guarantee.